Prisma Nashville started in May of 2021 when we acquired True Color and Paris Printing, which were both two existing Nashville companies. We merged them together and I joined the team in July, so very shortly after the acquisition of both locations. And then we started to change everything, changing our kind of accounting structure, our MIS system, our go-to-market strategy with our proprietary e-commerce site, DocShop, being a huge part of our go-to-market strategy. We had a lot of success and quickly outgrew our facility in Nashville. Prisma has a long-standing relationship with Komori. We have multiple LED UV perfecting presses in our Phoenix facility, and then now in our Nashville facility with our new LED UV perfecting press.
Our reason behind selecting Komori goes back to when we originally made the transition to perfector and UV technology roughly 10, 12 years ago, and the experience that we had implementing that with Komori, and then Komori delivering on their commitment over the years. And so we felt like, why mess with something that works? And even as we looked at competing technology, we felt Komori offered superior technology. So we decided to stick with what's worked.
We are really excited to have the new Komori 8-color perfecting UV press. For us, it's really helped solve a lot of problems with capacity challenges that we've experienced during third and fourth quarter peak seasons. We are expecting to have more capacity on a daily basis even during peak seasons than we've ever had in the past.
Most recently, obviously, with our expansion and the new facility in Nashville, when you're doing a build out to the degree that we are, right, things change, timelines have to be adjusted. And I would say we put Komori through the rigor on that side, and they were great being flexible and adjusting to fit our needs. And ultimately, we were able to achieve the deadline that we wanted to as a result of the relationship and working well together.
Having Komori come on site for training and working directly with them for weeks leading up to our being live production was incredibly beneficial. Both operators, while having 20, 30 years experience on different presses and different technology, caught on really quickly. We had an amazing trainer, his name was Mike, was there to help with anything the guys got stuck on a daily basis and just really help calm any concerns they had.
Well, the big change is time. The automation, you don't have to get up on the press as much. You have two people, one person get on the press, the other one just sits there and pushes the buttons. So it's a lot faster, a lot time consuming. You don't have to get real filthy either, but it's just much faster and much easier.
We plan to have a long-standing relationship with Komori, and any presses that we'll be investing in the future will more than likely be Komori's.